Now, if you want something simple but effective to scale up your YouTube or podcasting, I got something for you. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? Bertrand Tech Man here. And in this video, I'm going to review the Zoom PodTrak P4. They say it's the ultimate recorder for podcasters and if you want to level up your YouTube audio. Now, the Zoom P4 is a portable podcast recorder that offers a lot of flexibility and functionality. If you want to create professional sounding audios without breaking the bank and not carrying a lot of gear. Now, it can record up to 4 microphones, mix them with sound, effects, and music, and monitor the audio with headphones. It has a built-in USB interface that lets you connect to your computer or smartphone or for live streaming and editing. And it can run on batteries or AC power. The PodTrak P4 is easy to use. It has dedicated buttons. It has a bright LCD screen that shows what level. To use the PodTrak P4, you just need to simply connect your microphone to your XLR input on the top of the device and your headphones to the 3.5 millimeter jack that you want to use. You can also adjust the gain, mute, and solo buttons for each channel and use the volume knob to control the overall output level. You can add sound effects and music from 4 pads on the bottom of the device or from your smartphone via Bluetooth or TRRS cable. To start recording, you just need to press the record button on the front of the device and then press it again to stop. You can also pause and resume recording with the play pause button. Now, one of the main features of the PodTrak P4 is its ability to mix minus, which is a function that prevents feedback when calling guests via phone or Skype. Now, this is a crucial feature for podcasters who interview guests remotely, as it ensures that the guests can hear the host and other guests, but not their own voice echoing back to them. The PodTrak P4 also has a limiter function that prevents distortion when recording loud sound, which is useful for recording live music or other loud events. You can also transfer your files to your computer or smartphone via a USB cable or a micro SD card reader, making it very easy to edit and share your recording. The PodTrak P4 is compatible with most dynamic and condenser microphones, as well as headsets and lavalier mics. This means that you can use the microphone that you already have or invest in a new one if you want to upgrade your audio quality. The PodTrak P4 also has a headphone jack for each channel, which is useful if you have multiple hosts or guests who need to monitor their own audio. Now, in terms of design, the PodTrak P4 is a compact, lightweight device that's easy to use. It has a sturdy build quality, although it's made of plastic, and it has rubberized buttons and knobs. The LCD screen is bright and easy to read. 4 pads on the bottom of the device are a nice touch, as they allow you to add sound effects and music without having to use a separate device or software. Now, I do have a couple cons. First of all, I would say that the build quality is plastic. Now, I don't know how durable this is going to be in the long run. And the placement of the buttons are not as intuitive as I would like them to be. I'm thinking that they should be more intuitive so you can work with either your XLR cables and then your audio inputs at the same time, and they would be close together. Overall, I would say that the Zoom PodTrak P4 is a great tool for podcasters who want to create professional sounding audio without breaking the bank or carrying a lot of gear. It offers a lot of flexibility and functionality for different scenarios, and it's easy to use. Now, the PodTrak P4 costs about $170, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, which makes it a great value for the price. So if you're new to podcasting or you want to level up your YouTube audio, then this might be the recorder for you. Now, if you found value in this quick video, help a tech brother out, give me a like. Subscribe to get my next video when it drops, share, and comment. Now in the comment section, let me know, do you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial, go more in depth on how to use the Zoom P4? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.